Welcome to Math 97 and welcome to your first online video. This video is an introduction to the course, its structure and layout. I'm going to start by talking a little bit about the menus, and then we'll dive into one of the activities in the course so that you can see how things are normally done. The website is set up with links for messages, forums, calendar, and gradebook, as well as logout. Both up here at the top of the page and along the side, messages, forums, again, calendar, gradebook, and logout. We're just going to go straight to one of the activities. On a normal week, you would click on the week block, click on the section block that you're working on at that time, click on the assignment and handouts block link. Inside here, you'll see the reading for that section broken down by the subsection in the textbook. Your textbook calls section 1.1 real numbers, but inside that section it discusses the real number line in a section called section A. It discusses equivalent fractions on the number line, absolute values, and so on. So the section 1.1 real numbers is broken up into further sections. Below the reading, you'll see the exercises from the textbook that you should do to help prepare you for exams and quizzes. In addition to that, check and see if there's additional reading that you should do. In this case, I'd like you to read the box on page 83 called Navigation Skills, Prepare, Study, Achieve. There will be a question on the quiz that addresses this reading. After that, click on the 1.1 Videos block. You'll see that the structure of this block very closely mimics the structure in the readings block. Section A, Section B, Section C, and so on. Under lecture videos, we have sections A and B in this case, Section C, Section D, and so on. And each one of these is a video about that topic in the textbook. The length of each video is listed at the end of the title of the video. You can click right on the video link and it'll take you to the YouTube page where that video is hosted. Instead though, if you click on this plus sign, it'll open the video right inside your WAMAP browser. That way you can watch the video without ever leaving the page.
In section 1.1, we're going to be dealing with several smaller concepts.
If you want to see some examples of questions like those in your textbook worked out for you, I've made some videos of those as well. Questions like the ones in the block 1 through 9 or 1 through 10 on page 78 are worked out for you in this video.
In this video, I'm going to work several homework problems.
You don't have to watch these videos, but since I'm not seeing you in a classroom, I don't have the opportunity to show you how individual problems are worked. So these videos are a replacement for that. In section 1.1, I've also put an extra couple of videos about area and perimeter that go into more detail. I won't necessarily do this in every section. I've done it here because you need the background from geometry. If you don't have that background, these videos may help. When I'm done with a section, I can close it again to kind of get it out of the way. After the assignments and handouts and videos block, there's a section quiz. This will be true for every section in the textbook. In section 1.1, clicking on that quiz opens it for me to let me get started. We'll further discuss quizzes in a separate video. Every week and every section in that week has exactly the same layout. Assignments and handouts, and then videos, followed by a section quiz. At the end of each week, there's a forum. You should post twice per week in the appropriate forum. You can do that directly from the forum link at the bottom of the week, or if you're in a quiz and you're not sure how to do a problem, you can post this question to the forum. It'll actually paste the question into the forum block for you, and you can write your message here. There's my post. Whenever I want to go back to the main page of the course, I just need to click on the Math 97 link and it takes me back to the main course. The light purple blocks are the regular work for the course. Inside each one of these is a section. Inside each section is an assignments, videos, and quiz block. The dark purple blocks are information about, and in some cases, the actual exams. In the exam 1 block, there's an exam 1 review, which is a PDF document that you can open and use to review for the exam. The exam itself, which when you click on it, will open the exam to let you get started. Notice that this is a timed exam and you can't stop it once you start, so you should make sure that you have exactly 1 hour that you can work uninterrupted before you click on this link. Once you click on the link, you cannot stop or pause the exam. Finally, there's an exam 1 forum. You can't post to the exam 1 forum from the exam, but you can use it before you open the exam if you want to talk about the review questions. That's pretty much it. That's the layout of the course. There are other things we can look at, like how else to get to the forums. What does the course calendar look like? How do I use my gradebook? But we'll look at those in other videos. For now, you're already in this block and you've just watched the first video. My suggestion is that you watch the other videos in this block to continue to familiarize yourself with the course. The growth mindset video is not mine, it's a TED Talk. I think you'll enjoy it. See you in the next video.